Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm back in the workshop today, so just thought I'd do another quick behind the scenes video just to show you some of the things that we're up to here at Valve & Process Solutions. Today we've got a 6-inch OptiSeal Keystone butterfly valve. You may have seen from some of our marketing and social media that we're now a distributor for Keystone and a stockist. So we've got the butterfly valve. We've direct mounted the F89 Keystone actuator, which we also stock. We've got a spring return version here, got the springs in the end. And we're fitting this one with a Westlock K20 electro-pneumatic positioner, and we've utilised the mod mount bracket to fit directly on top of the Keystone actuator. So we've got this all mounted up, and it's my job now just to take the lid off, apply the 4 to 20 milliamp signal, do the autocal procedure, make sure that the valve is opening and closing properly, making sure that the valve's going through all the sequence that it needs to go through. I'll be setting the switches as well in there. We also supply the package with all the fittings and the pipe and the filters for the customer. So literally when it turns up at site, all he's got to do is apply the air connection and apply the 4 to 20 milliamp connection to the positioner. So a nice little package this for us. Most of the items are from stock. We just had to get the valve in, and that'll be leaving today and be on site for a shutdown requirement that the customer's got for Thursday and Friday this week. So that's where we're up to. Thanks very much for watching.